As we created our hazardous drug software, our Rhazdrug, many of our clients ask us to create a place where they could go and look to see how other people have classified their hazardous drugs. Because at this moment, there are 239 drugs on the NIOSH list, and in our database, we have over 600 drugs. Most of our clients have at least 350 to 400 drugs in their database. So that leaves a great number of drugs that people have questions about as far as how to classify those drugs. And there's not a lot of conversation that goes on about this topic. So we created a report in our dashboard for our editors to use that gives them access to how other people are thinking about the drugs. And let's just go look at it. So we're going to go into our dashboard. We're going to go to the reporting tab and click on the drug assignment trends. That's what we chose to call the report, drug assignment trends. And what this is going to tell you, it's going to have a list of all the drugs that are in the database by generic name, as you can see. Then you can see the percent of clients who actually have that drug on their list, and you can see how the clients have assigned that drug to their list. Here's a great example. 90.5% of our clients have this drug on their list. And here are the different ways that these clients have decided to classify the drugs in their own hazardous drug environment. Very, very interesting. Here is a drug that has 38% of our clients that have this drug in their database. And notice the number of different ways they've decided to classify this drug. So the intent of this report is to help you all as you struggle with some of these things and trying to figure out how to classify these drugs when NIOSH hasn't done any classification on them. You can look at your peers and you can see how they're thinking about these drugs and how they're classifying these drugs. And hopefully it'll give you some good answers on how to classify your own drugs by looking at how your peers have done this. I hope this is helpful to you. If you have questions, please let us know. info@Rpharmy. We're always watching that email in hopes that we can answer your questions and make things just a little bit easier for you. Thank you so much.